Okay, so I want to start with an example of what generally I'll do for our sections in the textbook each week. I'll present an Edpuzzle. Usually I have some questions in it for you to answer and interact with of the alternate examples. So each section in the chapter has a set of alternate examples, and then we have the practice work that I've posted in Schoology that have the answers, so you can kind of self-check yourself on those. So here's the sort of the preliminary section in our textbook, prior to chapter 1, and they give us some data and just ask us a couple questions to see if we're familiar with just some basic terminology. The other thing I would recommend here is that you would look at in Schoology as you're going through here. Since we're here in chapter 1, look at the chapter 1 folder. If you're a homework and online quiz, they're kind of the last things you would do. First thing you ought to do each time is look at PowerPoints, then do the examples, which is what I'm doing with you right now. And then we have PowerPoints, examples I'll post. These are sort of out of order, the practice and the examples. I'll switch those. But you do the Edpuzzle practice examples first, and then look at the practice and engage in that. Would sort of be the best type of workflow for this. So, first question, who are the individuals in this data set? So what we have as our individuals here are the 10 randomly selected U.S. residents. So we can just write that here. The individuals are the 10 randomly selected Okay, second question is, what are the variables measured? Identify each as categorical or quantitative. So the variables, if we just go left to right, we can say the variables are, which is categorical. So if it can take on a numeric value, it's quantitative. If not, it's categorical. Number of family members. Is quantitative. Then we have age, which is categorical or quantitative. Then we have gender, which is categorical. Marital status, also categorical. Total income and travel time are both quantitative. So you want to get used to writing complete sentences and speaking in complete sentences, or really expressing your answers clearly. One of the struggles I find in statistics is it's a lot of different words, and it's almost sort of a new language, and you want to be able to talk right from the beginning. Describe the individual in the first row. Okay, so the individual in the first row is a 61-year-old female from Kentucky. Two family members. She is married. Her total income is $21,000. She travels 20 minutes to work. Okay, so very, very basic, but I wanted you to start to get a feel for the workflow of the class as we are online or in a hybrid model.